Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing how to use lid strip in your room. This is a lid strip I got from Amazon. This is my room where I am going to put my lid strip on the corner and sides. So have a look. Now I have already installed the strip, so we need to peel off the plastic from back, and this strip got 3 mm sticky tape in the back, so just push and stick on a wall. Here already done everything, so now you can see how it look like and how it's changing the color. The strip got multifunction like blinking, flashing, slow light on off, and with music, with sound. You can also keep on one color like red, green, blue or white, whichever you want. This is now multifunctioning, flashing and slow flashing, fast flashing with music, and it is also got like timing on 1 hour, 3 hour, 9 hour, 6 hour. So this is how my room look like now. It's looking very nice, beautiful and romantic. And this is how it work with sound or claps or music. Every single time it's change color. And this is how I do wiring for this lid strip. And I put sticky tape on so it's keep with the wall and look nice.